In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView paper trading. Paper trading lets you practice strategies in real time without risking real money, so it's perfect for learning the platform, testing ideas, and building confidence before going live. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView, then head to the official website. From the home page, open the products menu and choose Super Charts. This launches the full-featured charting interface, which is where you'll do all your analysis and place simulated trades. At the bottom of the chart, look for the trading panel and click it to reveal connection options. This is where you connect your chart to a broker or to TradingView's built-in simulator. Click Find Broker to open the list of available connections. In the search box, type paper trading. Select paper trading from the results, then click Connect. Once connected, you'll see the simulator appear in the trading panel, confirming that your chart is ready for practice orders. Next, take a moment to understand your simulated account metrics. Click Account Balance to view an overview of your paper account. This shows your starting funds and updates as you trade. Click Equity to see the current value of your account, which combines your cash and the real-time value of any open positions. Click Realize P&L to review profits and losses from closed trades only. This is your locked-in performance. Click Unrealized P&L to see gains or losses on open positions that haven't been closed yet. These will fluctuate with price. Click Account Margin to understand how much of your buying power is tied up in margin for open trades. This helps you avoid over-leveraging. Finally, click Available Funds to see how much capital remains free for new positions after margin requirements are accounted for. With the paper account connected and your key metrics understood, you can start trading. Select a symbol on the chart, then use the order panel to place a simulated order. You can choose common order types like market for immediate fills or limit to set your preferred price. After placing a trade, watch how equity, realized P&L, unrealized P&L, account margin, and available funds update so you can see the full impact of your decisions in real time. As you practice, focus on consistent process. Keep position sizes reasonable, use stops where appropriate, and review your results in the panel to spot patterns in your performance. The goal is to turn your strategy into a repeatable routine. Then, when you're ready, you'll have the confidence that comes from data-driven practice.